A diagram depicting the lungs and diaphragm illustrates the respiratory system and how the diaphragm plays a crucial role in the process of breathing. Here's an explanation of such a diagram. The chest walls. The chest walls is made up of ribs, muscles and the skin. The ribs are attached at an angle to the spine. When we inhale, the chest wall moves up and expands. This causes an increase in the volume of chest cavity. We see two lung structures, one on the left side and one on the right side. These represent the human lungs. Lungs are essential organ for respiration, responsible for exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide with the bloodstream. They are divided into lobes, with the right lung having 3 lobes and the right lung having 2 lobes. Below the lungs, you will find a large curved muscle called the diaphragm. The diaphragm is the primary muscle involved in the process of breathing. When it is contract and moves downward, it increases more space in the chest cavity, causing the lungs to expand. As the lungs expand, air is drawn in through the nose and mouth, filling the lungs with oxygen-rich air during inhalation. When the diaphragm is relaxes and moves upward, it reduces the space in the chest cavity, causing the lungs to contract and expel carbon dioxide rich air during exhalation.